Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a heart-shaped cloud in the background of your photo with PhotoDirector. Just open the app, tap Edit, choose your image you would like to work with and then select Effects, Sky, and then wait a few seconds, and here you will be able to see some cloudy images or sunset, but we will go with love, and then you will find several ways to insert your heart-shaped cloud. Maybe I will go with this one because it looks more realistic, or maybe the 8. If you are satisfied, click on the check mark and do not forget to download your image. Love is in the air. Thank you for watching.